Welcome to ScholarBridge English. Primary English. P3A. Fun with cooking. 3. Nouns. Food. An apple. Apples. Bread. A cherry tomato. Cherry tomatoes. An egg. Eggs. Food. Grapes. A mushroom. Mushrooms. An onion. Onions. An orange. Oranges. Salad dressing. A strawberry. Strawberries. A tomato. Tomatoes. Nouns dishes. Fruit salad. Open sandwich. Nouns others. Bowl. Oven. Pieces. Recipe. Slice. Verbs. Add. Cut. Enjoy. Make. Mix. Need. Put. Sit down. Take out. Wash. Pronouns. It. Them. Adverb. Together. Sentences. Recipe fruit salad. First, wash the grapes and strawberries. Put them into a bowl. Then wash the apple. Cut it into small pieces. Put the apple into the bowl. Mix the grapes, strawberries, and apple together. Then add the salad dressing to the salad. Sit down and enjoy it. Sentences. Recipe. Open sandwich. First, cut the onion into small pieces. Put them on the bread. Then put the mushroom and cherry tomatoes on the bread. Put the bread into the oven. Take it out after 5 minutes. ScholarBridge English.